guys, it's Brenda and welcome back to another video in SugarPinkDIY. And in today's video we'll make some mini skulls for Dia de los Muertos. They're super cute and you can decorate them in any way that you like. To begin, take some white chocolate or candy melts and put them in the microwave for a minute and a half with 30-second intervals. So, every 30 seconds, take it out of the microwave and mix it until the chocolate is well melted. With a spatula, mix the chocolate to make sure that it is well melted and there won't be any unmelted pieces. Then, put the melted chocolate in a pastry bag. But if you can't find a pastry bag, you can use a plastic bag instead. Take your mold and fill every single one of your skulls. You can find this mold at some crafting stores like Michael's or Joann Fabrics and even at Walmart. Once the mold is filled, tap it against a table surface so the skulls smooth out from the back. Then put them in the cooler for 1 to 2 hours. This way the skulls will be firm and it will be easier and faster to take them out of the mold. Put them on a plate or small tray so it's easier to take them to decorate. To decorate the skulls, use colorful sprinkles, since Dia de los Muertos or Day of the Dead skulls are super colorful. Also, the sprinkles are really easy to put on with the use of kitchen tweezers. Every time you put a sprinkle, you need to put a small drop of melted chocolate so the sprinkle remains stuck to the skull. But if you don't want to use sprinkles, you can use different colors of melted chocolate or icing, whichever you think is easier and you like the most. With the sprinkles, you don't run the risk of having your designs or decorations in different sizes. For example, one eye being bigger than the other, or that you have melted chocolate or icing all over your skull. The best part of using sprinkles is that they already come in different colors, so your skulls will look super clean and super cute. You can make different designs like I did. And once ready, you can put them on a decorated plate to give them to your guests, since they're super delicious, or even put them on your ofrenda. You can even make a Frida Kahlo. I hope you make them and that you like this idea, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in my next video for more ideas. Bye guys!